All right, here we go. Let's go inside. Just pulled in. That's what I think I noticed here. It is very quiet. It is very quiet. I don't hear anybody. Just the wind going through the trees without the leaves. Has that eerie sound to it. Love it. So here we are. One thing is nice, very private. So this overlooks the entrance. The entrance is right in front of us. The woods. Very nice rocker out here. Let's just take a look at the outside while we're right here. Grill. Stairs off to the back. That goes to your fire pit. Okay. So a couple of stairs to get down to the fire pit, just to note. Yeah, you've got about eight stairs. So if we have a problem with stairs, that is one thing to note. You might be better off going the other way. All right, let's go inside. Let's put the key in here and check it out. Honey, I'm home. Ooh, warm. Fireplace is on. Where's the light switch? Okay, there we go. Little light in here. Very nice. So you come in. Off to the left is a little living area, living room. Off to the right, kitchen. Very similar to the L100 that we were in back in August. Table. Kitchen's set up very nicely. Let's see what we have here. So as far as things that are stocked, there you go. Little bit of Dawn. Utensils. Other drawers are empty. They do give you a coffee pot. Looks like maybe 2 or 1 packets of coffee, 2 tea, plates, cups. There's the toaster, microwave. That is a huge microwave. Nothing on top. Stove. Outdoor utensils. Great. Okay. Very nice. Nothing there. A couple of things here. More utensils. Pots and pans. Fully stocked. Okay. Refrigerator. No problem there. And we come into the bath. Let's find the light switch. Bath is here. Okay. So it's kind of a wraparound. Commode, jacuzzi tub, sink. Very nice. Behind the door is the shower. Very nice. Okay. And that leads to, okay, here's your washcloths, towels, extra toilet paper. In the bedroom, master bedroom. Okay, king size bed. Very nice. I like it bright in here. It's nice white. And back to the front. There we go. Okay. Upstairs. And we're now upstairs. Up in the loft area, nice view. 2 beds. Anything spare. Nothing in the closet. Okay. So nicely laid out. I like it. Nice view. All right, sit back down. And back down. So nicely laid out. L700. All right, quick tour done. Let's go get unpacked. Let the week begin. Thanks for stopping by on this walkthrough. We'll see you on the next one.